All right, guys, let's go over your final schedule again so that I can get it on record. Thursday, May 31st, I'm going to collect progress sets of your drawing sets. So that includes everything on that document that I sent out with your instructions. That is precisely and only what I'm going to be reviewing for. So all the extra stuff that is present in your sample drawings, I don't need to see. I only am going to be checking for what I asked you for. And then, anyway, so from that point, May 31st to Tuesday, June 5th. June 5th, we're not having class. And then June 7th, we are having class, and that's when I'm going to return your sets with red lines. So when I return those sets with red lines, we're emulating that process in the office of the QA/QC of a set. So you kind of review it, have markups, and you change it to make it better. So you will have to respond to those, even though June 12th and June 14th is finals week, and June 14th is going to be our final exam. I'm not, because it is kind of like a pickup process and it takes time, I'm not asking for you to return all of those just 1 week later. I'm going to give you until the end of the semester to email it to me. So the revisions or the pickups of the red line sets that I give you, they're going to be due Monday the 18th. Okay. And then June 14th, we have a final exam. So the final exam, guys, it's not anything to be super intimidated about. It's not even a question thing. It's more of like a practical exam where I'll kind of reveal my secrets about it when we do it. But I think you should be excited about it. Okay, so it's a mystery exam. Any questions?
Is it Jeopardy?
Yes. No, it's not, because there aren't any questions on it. All right, cool. That's it. So that's our schedule.